I just went to Whole Foods and it just started snowing. Check it out. The snow is falling. So I had an all-day Zoom for a committee that I joined. And so I decided to go to my second gym to go walk on the treadmill. My first gym is burned, but they are not open after the morning on Saturdays and it's classes. And I just wanted to get steps in because I sat on a Zoom for many hours. I wish I had a walking pad, but I don't. So I just did that, and then I went to Whole Foods because I'm gonna make a pizza tonight, and I wanted a roasted chicken so I could pull the meat off and put chicken on the pizza. I know I could just cook some chicken, but all the chicken I have is frozen in the freezer right now, and I'd rather just have it cooked, and I just feel like it's more delicious. I did get this juice by Urban Remedy. It's Cold Crusher. Because I've been feeling on the verge of getting a cold, but I'm not getting it. So I grabbed this. It was $7 full price, or $7.49, but they're doing 37% off right now because of probably it's the beginning of the year and they want to entice people. So I was like, why not? So this is orange, carrot, lemon, turmeric. I hope it's yummy. That could go either way. Usually orange and carrot though is good, and then the turmeric makes it a little spicy, and then the lemon just gives it a little bit of zing so it's not boring. I need to get a car mount, but the one that I have doesn't fit in this car. Oh, that is good. It's everything I described. So I don't know if this is going to prevent a cold, but I'm willing to believe. Also, check out my Lulu Wonder Puff jacket that I'm so obsessed with. I love it so much. I got this in the Black Friday sale. No, not Black Friday. Day after Christmas sale. I think I got it maybe even on Christmas Day. And this is the medium forest color. I never got the sweatshirt in this color and I was devastated. So I saw this coat and I was just you know what? Maybe it's a sign I meant to have it, and I love it so much. The only thing is I wish it was just a tiny bit longer, because I like when it covers my butt, and this one really doesn't. It's not cropped. I would not get a cropped winter coat, but maybe I can show you it from home. It's just a normal length. I got it in a size 10. I heard that it ran big because 10 is my scuba hoodie size in the regular scuba, so I was nervous, and that's my sports bra size for Lulu, but it's plenty big, so it does run. I would say it runs true to your normal size, so don't size up if you sometimes size up in a coat, you know what I mean? But it is so cozy, and I live in Boston and it gets cold here, and I have been so toasty. I'm trying not to put all these poor people in the back. All right, so I'm gonna drive home. I'll show you what else I got at Whole Foods, and then I'll show you when I make the pizza. I'm really excited. Okay, this is where we're at. I was rolling out the dough and it wouldn't get any bigger, and then I read on the package you're supposed to wait 20 minutes when it's at room temperature, so we're waiting. So that's I like to use parchment paper, and then I have all different cheeses. I'm going for a Tex-Mex style, so I'm gonna put green chilies on it. I got pizza sauce from Trader Joe's. I cut up a red pepper. I have some black olives. I have corn, black beans. It's gonna be fun. And this is the magic ingredient, cholula. But not just any, the chipotle one. I never showed you the other stuff that I got, so it's just been sitting in the hallway. Oh my god. I got skyr. This is my favorite kind of skyr. Oops, this one's turned around. Sorry. Let's fix you. Okay, so it's the Icelandic Provisions. I've never been more obsessed. I love it so much. My favorite of all favorites is this cold brew whole milk, but it does have more fat, so just be aware. But I tried to get one of each kind. I didn't get vanilla because I couldn't reach it, but key lime, strawberry lingonberry, pineapple, coconut, peach and cloudberry, and of course the cold brew coffee. Siggy's was on sale. These were like $2 a piece. Siggy's was like $1 something. So I got a couple of these too. I got peach and black cherry. And then I got some of these probiotic sodas. Olipop's my favorite, but they didn't have my favorite kind, but I got watermelon lime, lemon lime, and I got a poppy. This is my favorite, poppy and strawberry lemon. Yay! I am currently cooking the pizza dough. I watched LiveFit's vlog and they cooked the dough before adding the toppings, which I don't normally do. So I hope they didn't steer me wrong, but I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, so here's the crust, just naked. Okay, this is before the cheesing. This is with the cheese. I did a base of mozzarella and then we did some Mexican cheese because it's a Mexican pizza. She's back in the oven, fingers crossed. I wanted to show you though, this is my favorite Olipop. I had one in the fridge. Tropical Punch, oh my God. If you haven't tried this, chef's kiss, love. Also, I just put my leftover stuff in jars because you don't want to leave them in the cans. And I feel like these will make for good salad toppings. I happen to get like tomatoes and lettuce. So I can just do like with the cheese next week, maybe some like Tex-Mex salads for lunch. The only thing is I don't like that like rotisserie chicken like on a salad like the day after. So I might need to get some like cold cut chicken or something to go on it. I don't know, like boar's head or something. Here it is, looking good. Let's see if I can film and cut at the same time. No, not really. Look at this little creature. Can you stand it? I cannot. Hello. Hey, babe. Did I surprise you? How'd you know I was filming you? Even dogs can feel when they're being filmed. Yes, my love. I swear I didn't even make a sound. She just knew. She always knows. It's totally the next day, but before I go, I want to show you some new jewelry that I just got that I'm already obsessed with from my two favorite jewelry brands of all time. When I say this, I've been getting their jewelry. One of them, God, I don't even know, like 5 years probably. I think I went to Wanderlust in 2018, if I remember correctly. And then the other one is like a solid 3, almost 4 years. So without further ado, let's check it out. First off, here is my Fierce Forward Jewelry Intention Bracelet for 2014. This is custom made. You can get any word or like really short phrase put on a bracelet. I got the word easy. That is my word of 2014 because it can all just be easy. Let it be easy. And I actually got this free bracelet with my purchase. They were doing a promo at the time. So they gave me this cute little note. New year, new dream time to Fierce Forward. They gave me this little postcard just as a reminder of some of the beautiful things. If you ever see these chakra things, it is Fierce Forward, but there's other companies who steal her videos and promote it. So never, ever, ever. No, like this is important and I'm incredibly passionate about this because this is a small women-owned business and she has built this up from the ground herself. Only get your chakra hangers from Fierce Forward. Go directly to their website because literally on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, people steal her videos and promote their product with her and her work. and then you don't know what you're getting. But if you order from Fierce Forward, you know you're gonna get something that's amazing, handmade with love, filled with intention. Like, I stand by this brand so much. I have so many videos on them from over the years because I absolutely love them. They've never really sent me anything like promotional. I did win a contest once, so I won a beautiful sun catcher, but like everything I have from them I bought with my own money because I truly, 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 truly love them so much. They don't need to send me anything. Like, I am so happy to scream about Fierce Forward from the rooftops because it's just amazing. Anyway, rant over. I also got this set. It's like, also it came in this really cute little box, which made me excited. It felt like I was opening a present. Oh, here we go. It's an amethyst, like a raw amethyst. And you can pick the chain length, which is so nice. So if you want a choker, if you want it long, it's like every 2 inches. So it's like 14, 16, 18, 20, maybe even 22. And then I got matching earrings. I'm gonna do a reel, so I don't know if I wanna undo those, but it's matching. You can kind of see the gold. All right, I gave in and opened it up. So I actually have these with citrine, and they're probably my most worn dangle earrings, so I just really wanted them. This was a set too, so I forget how much it was, but look at that, gorgeous. And I think like my coloring, I think I'm a winter, so I think I'm supposed to wear silver, but I'm just such a gold girl. Like, I don't really care about that. And I do, just to be perfectly honest, I do have some older stuff that was silver that kind of tarnished, which silver does that, and I'm sure I could like polish it and it would be fine, but I just prefer gold, even if it's not like my color. I actually like put silver stuff on and I don't really think it looks that much better, so. And then my second obsession is Ana Luisa. I just did a video with them, but I just placed another order for these earrings. These are the Taylor Swift Good Karma earrings. I forget what they're called on the website, but they're so cute. They're a little dangle, like they're like huggies, little dangles with Good Karma on them. And then they were having a big sale, like kind of like clearance. So I've always wanted this, and this was on clearance, so I bought it because I thought maybe it was going to be gone once they sold out. I also got this huggy with a J for Jessica. And then I got these. I have these with crystals. It's a huggy, so like the hoop part goes like down around your ear, and then it looks kind of like a stud with a hoop. So these were all part of their sale. So I don't know if they're going to be discontinued once they sell out. And I did buy all of these with my own money. I did just do a video with Ana Luisa, but I have bought so much. Actually, these are one of the earrings that I got in that collaboration I did with them. But I mean, I just buy so much from them because they're, other than Fierce Forward, they are my favorite jewelry brand. Like, if I had to say like my go-to jewelry brand, it's Ana Luisa. Their style is just so me. Oh my god. And I'm not wearing it, but from my collaboration, that 888 necklace, like, I cannot stop wearing it. I wear it almost every day. The only thing that bugs me is like, you can adjust how long the chain is. There's like 3 different loops, so I do it on the tightest because I like it to hit like right here. There's like that like bone thing like right under there, and the excess like always wraps around, and it just like drives me crazy. But I love that necklace so much. I've worn it constantly. I'm like really obsessed with 888 right now for abundance. So I like picked that out kind of on a whim, and I also had to pick out, when I did that video, I had to pick out 10 things and I didn't know what they were sending. So I'm really glad they sent that one because that's like been my favorite piece. And I wear their studs 24/7. Like, I never take these out. I was wearing these most of the week, but I do take them out like for the gym and stuff. And I don't think you have to take them out to shower. Like whenever I have earrings that I keep in from them, I never take them out. They don't tarnish. It's like crazy. It's such good quality. So yeah, so those are my new things. It snowed last night, so I probably am gonna go shovel, like, it's literally a dusting, but I just, like, nobody shoveled last weekend when I was away, and now there's, like, all this ice in the driveway, and it's, like, an accident waiting to happen. It's making me so annoyed that it didn't get shoveled. Like, if I was here, I would have shoveled it. I'm really, like, crazy about that. I want it down to the pavement if possible. So I'm just gonna go probably, like, do, like, a quick once over. It's gonna take me, like, 10 minutes, probably. And I'm just gonna have an easy day because, last weekend was a lot. When I got stuck in Nashville. I did a Nashville vlog, but I haven't put it together, and I don't know if it'll ever see the light of day. I just kind of stopped filming, and especially with all, like, the drama of the flights, like, I could have vlogged it, but I was with someone, and I never even, like, thought to vlog it, to be honest. So I'm just gonna have an easy day. I'm gonna do that shoveling like I said. I have one episode left of Singles Inferno. That has, like, been my favorite show. I'm obsessed. But I don't binge. I'll, like, only watch one episode at a time, and I will only let myself watch it, like, maybe at dinner time. I'll let myself watch one, just to savor it, because I love it so much. If you haven't watched, it's a Korean dating show, and it's just, like, compared to a lot of the shows, it's so pure. Like, they barely hold hands. Like, they don't, like, I don't know, go over the top. I mean, it's so good. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend too, or whenever you're watching this. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So have a great day, stay positive, bye.